Coming up on this week's episode. Is this 2 parts? Don't mess up! The coolest drive I've ever done up here in my life.
And I'm trying to keep up with the fast cars.
Come on!
Ab 18 Uhr.
Ja. Whose idea was this? Back on the system pass this evening with a brand new GT4 RS Spyder for what is probably going to be the last drive of the mountain passes of this year, of the big passes that is. Anyway, most of them closed for the winter, of course. There was a couple of passes still open in the winter, but not that many, not the good ones like this, the System Pass, the Grimsby Pass, the Fokker Pass, etc. So I thought I would see off 2023 summer in a Spyder, heading up one of the best roads in Switzerland. Literally from the B-roll that you saw the opening scene with this car 2 days ago, it was 23 degrees, and 2 days later now it's 2. So it's changed quite dramatically. And up the top of the mountains as well, up here, there has been quite some snow on the top. And I looked on the webcam this morning, there was also snow on the System Pass this morning. So hopefully it still won't be there when we head up because, well, I'm in summer tyres, not really an ideal situation. Anyway, I just drove here from Zurich, so I had the roof up because it did start raining. But it's a Spyder, it's supposed to be driven with the roof down. This car was really made that you drive it as much as possible with the roof down. So let's go and do that first. Porsche says you can put it down within 2 minutes, so let's give it a go. So it's been around 5 minutes now and I still can't close the rear. I don't know exactly what I'm doing wrong yet, but I'm working on it. It's work in progress. Is this 2 parts then? No. Maybe. Hold it. Come on. Oh yes. Managed to get the roof down. My mistake was after 10 minutes realizing that when I undid the front bit I had to roll the back bit up to the top, and I was doing it the wrong way around, which is why it wasn't fitting in as it should. So lesson learned. Took me 10 minutes then, but yes, once you know how, you know how. It should actually take 2 minutes, I reckon, after a couple of times. Anyway, let's head up the System Pass. Final summer run, although it's not summer anymore, but final run of 2023. Got my friend Pierre in front, who also owns the F40. As most of you know now from my channel, he also, as you can see, owns a very loud, very yellow Scuderia, and he is joining for the drive. So let's go have some fun. Very cold. Oh, it's around 2 degrees. Let's see the summer off properly. So quite some years ago, some of you will remember, I had a video with the 981 Spyder going up this exact road, which still today gets comments and views. Pierre's Scuderia sounds like an F1 car. Anyway, I thought it was time to relive that because that was really such a fun video and had so much love. So let's relive it today in the new Spyder Not a 981, of course, like that was, a 718, but I feel like this car and this road were made for each other. The airbox sound from here. I will also be talking briefly about which I prefer, of course. This, the Spyder, or mine. At the moment, I just like them both as much as each other. I'm not such a cabriolet roof down guy. I'm actually someone that hides from the sun mostly. But right now in this situation, although I'm cold, it is very nice. The biggest downside for me being when the roof is up, it just doesn't look that good. But this car, as I said, was really made that you just have the roof down nearly always. Oh, it started raining ever so slightly. Let's hope that keeps off. Oh, it is cold out here. It just doesn't get much better than this. Blasting up the pass with your mates. Oh, I'm gonna need a hot bath after this, I tell you. Woo. But it's great. I definitely feel alive right now. Oh, that is not a good place to park. Holy moly. Are you kidding me? It's just started snowing. It's just started snowing. Actually was snowing then. Look at those mountains. All dusted with snow from yesterday and this morning snowing. Holy cow. I love the GT4 RS so much, really. The Spyder also now. Oh, roof down, roof up. Just this platform with this engine and this carbon airbox sound. Oh, really spectacular. It is covered in snow. This is epic. I've never been up here like this before. Holy moly. Look at this! Sorry, this is just insane. Never in my life that I've been driving this past have I driven up here looking like this. What a magical time. Oh, a bit nerve-wracking here. There's barriers missing on the side and a very steep drop. I don't know where the barriers are actually. I mean, you have the poles, but not the pole along the top. Don't mess up. 9,000 RPM. Tunnel. This is absolutely spectacular. best time of my life. Look at this! Oh my word! Come on! Oh, it is getting frosty in here. I can't feel my hands. It's freezing.
I'm shaking.
Spyder life. What a view, dude! This is just epic. This is probably the coolest drive I've ever done up here in my life. It looks incredible. Way better than Sun. Check this out, as you can see. Wow, spectacular. Again, sorry for the wind noise if you can hear that. It is quite windy up here today. Also some quite cool cars. So yeah, we have the Spyder, Scuderia, Exige 430 Cup, I guess, M2, GT3, another Cayman, something else in the end, which I'm not sure yet. Oh, M3 Touring. I really actually super interested in that car at the moment. Another Curtis. Yeah, this is so cool. There's nothing quite like screaming Ferrari V8 sound in a tunnel. That's exactly what Pierre's gonna do. Holy shit! That is a proper F1 sound, and you could hear the wheels spinning quite a lot then. Okay, I need to get some other clothes quick. Dude, it's so epic. Oh, I could just hear the wheels spinning. It's really quite loud, right? Oh my god. Dude. Whose idea was this to
It was yours, man.
I'm in pain. Oh, that's nice.
So nice.
Oh, yeah.
Italian.
Totally worth it though.
Yeah, it was really
This is absolutely awesome up here.
Any BMW coming out? Yeah.
Scooby. So this is Jules.
Hi.
Jules has a super cool car, and I was just explaining to her that I grew up around MGs and I love MGs. So this is your baby.
That's my baby. It's
Awesome.
a MGB GT.
It's really cool that you came
Thank
with
you.
that.
Thank you.
Because as I was just saying, there is no right and wrong
Yes.
with cars. It's like people keep writing me like, "Can I come with this?" I'm like, I don't care if you come on
Just
a unicycle.
come. I mean, it has
Like,
4 wheels.
I don't care if you come on a skateboard. Like just come hang out. Like whatever.
That's so nice. And I'm trying to keep up with the fast cars. That's my friend's car.
It is. That's
Yes.
super nice as well.
Andreen's car.
Nice.
And I'm keeping up with him. So
You are?
I'm not that slow.
Is it 4-speed?
Yeah. Yes.
How is it on the motorway?
Well, I'm trying to not go on the motorway.
Okay, so to answer that question.
I didn't even buy a vignette, but I came here on the highway. So I did.
And it looks so nice.
Thank you so much.
I really like it. Is it she or he?
It's a he.
Is it a he?
Yeah.
Okay, he's a pretty one. Does it drink a lot?
I do for him.
You do?
so
Okay, nice. So
I do
good.
that for the both of us.
Zo.
Ja.
Ja, okay.
Ab 18 Uhr.
Ah, wirklich?
Ja.
Aber hier, es geht immer noch.
Ja, ich habe Barrieren so, dass nicht mehr Auto fahren.
Okay,
Ja,
okay.
aber können wir noch?
Ja, wenn ich dann da bin.
Also
Ich komme doch auf, dann könnt ihr hier das ab. Wo geht ihr das ab?
Ja, ich glaube, ein paar Leute gehen hier runter und ein paar Leute
Ja.
gehen hier runter.
Ich weiß nicht, wie lange das der Kollektor bei Barrieren wartet.
Okay.
Ab 18 Uhr ist es
Ja.
zu.
Whoops.
Yeah, they closed.
Oh, it's already closed.
There, but he will go and open it for us. And on the other side, there's another guy opening the
Barrier.
barriers.
Oh, there we go.
He said
Yeah.
like at 6 o'clock it's closed, but it's 10 past 6.
Whoops.
So.
Is it 10 past 6?
Yeah, it is. On the top or not? The other guy, he doesn't know. He said his friend is at the barrier there, but he doesn't know how long it's going to stay there.
on the top, on the bottom.
No, it's on the bottom. It's on the bottom. So yeah.
So you can go down and you can tell us all if it's still open or closed.
I go up as well.
I guess we should leave. Bye.
So nice to meet you.
It's very nice to meet you. Really pleasure.
Ciao.
Ciao.
And see you next time.
Yeah, well, he's driving this way.
Are we all driving together?
I think so, yeah.
Cheers. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, likewise, dude. Likewise.
Likewise.
Hey, mate.
Nice to meet you.
Super nice. Hey, mate. Yeah, you too. Send me on Instagram. Hey, man. See you again.
We go upwards or only?
We're going over, only over. Yeah. Hey, man. Ciao. Bye-bye. You too. We are in quite a bit of a rush now, to say the least, because the pass is actually closed. So we need to get out of here a bit sharpish before we make these guys even more angry. So they're essentially waiting for us to leave.
Told you it's an English car.